we're going to be doing a further install where we're going to be bootlacing our cables. We're going to be using the quick change crimper. Now these are the long teeth, so we're going to install these ones here. You can see it says all the different sizes, so we'll get these installed. Let's get these teeth out. And get these installed. So look, it's even got tiny little arrow there. So we'll put this on the bottom jaw. Click. This is the top one. So we're going to be using this jaw here, the 1 to 1.5, to do our thing. So here it is. No, wrong one.